How to import objects in Blender. First of all, open Blender and go to the top menu where you will find the file option. Click on it, then hover over Import to see a list of supported file formats like OBJ, FBX, STL, and more. Choose the file format that matches the object you want to import. For example, if you have an OBJ file, click on wavefront.obj. Next, a file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to the location of your object on your computer. Select the file and click Import Wavefront OBJ. The object will appear in your Blender scene, usually at the center of the grid. If the object doesn't show up clearly, check the scale and position in the Properties panel, or use the Move and Scale tools to adjust it. Sometimes, imported objects can be too big or too small, so resizing might be necessary to fit your scene. Finally, after importing, you can edit and modify the object as needed using Blender's powerful modeling tool. And that's it. Now you know how to import objects in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.